Hello everybody, welcome to Embetronics. In this video, we will see the demo of major numbers and minor numbers in the Beaglebone board. First, we will assign the IP address to the Ethernet via USB 0 using this command. USB 0 is up. Now we will go to the host machine. Attach the USB 0 to VirtualBox. First, we will see the static method. Open the terminal. You can update this make file with your kernel build directory. Let's build the driver. We will copy this KO file to the target using rsync. Now go to the serial terminal. Load the driver.ko module using the insmod command. Check the D message. The major number is 235 and the minor number is 0. Is that what we have asked? Yes, we have asked 235 only. Now we will unload the module. We will test the dynamic method now. Open the terminal and build the driver. Copy that KO file to the target. In the serial terminal, load the module using insmod command. Check the D message. Now the kernel is allocated the major number as 241. Finally, unload the module. In our next video, we will see what is the device file and how to create it. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.